Good evening, folks. Today, or this evening, we are here at the Marikina Riverbanks. Let me go show you this virtual tour of the Marikina Riverbanks here in Marikina. Oh, there, puto boom boom. Let me show that. Sheesh. All right, so this is the mall. Let's go check it out. Huh? $2 store right there. Yeah, I can see the sea of people. All right, so this is the Marikina Mall. Palm Lane. Let's go check it out. Over here, yeah, it's like a changge, like a ukay, not really, but like a buying stuff. Over here, they got the Save More. It's kind of like a SM, also like a Robinsons. This is cool. You can make your own customizable stuff here. Michaela, I've been seeing that brand. I guess it's famous here in Philippines. And then more Shores jewelry here. Let's check it out. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying this quick views of Manila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When I mean comment down stuff what you want me to go check or visit, and I'll probably show you and shout you out in the next video. And when I mean subscribe, is for you guys to be updated, is because I'm gonna do live streams and more. So yeah, this is Marikina Mall. Let's get back into it. Just a quick typical YouTube shit. And let's go check out the views of Marikina Mall. Let's go. Aficionado, that's very popular here. It looks like it's closed down there. Tons of stuff. One thing I do want to say about Marikina, I know it's famous for that changge place and the Marikina Riverbanks. It's a pretty good spot, good place. My first time here in this mall. I'll give you the sights of the mall. And yeah, I hope you're digging it. We're gonna probably check out that changge in a bit, so stay tuned, guys. Damn, it's busy. There's Chowking. Techno Lane. So I'm guessing all of this down here, what the malls in Philippines and Manila like to do is like consolidate all the stuff. So this probably has all the electronics. Let's go check that down that way, and then we'll come back to this. Techno Lane. Oh, some phones. It reminds me of the spot that Mall of Asia has. Very similar, like all the tech stuff for the techies are in one area. This is pretty cool. Oh, you got cheap phone cases and glasses and more. And they even have repair services here. Oh shit. I guess there's even a food court at the end of it. Oh, this is a pretty big ass mall. They have a Bahay Kubo, which is like a wooden home for display for photos. Damn, they even have like karaoke machines. Let's go give you a sight and sounds of what the food court kind of looks like here in Manila, in Marikina at least. Right here. I love how they have watch services here. Like Craftsman, you know? Because most nowadays, people just buy stuff when things break. Tons of stuff. Long line for the fucking ATM. Got a Daiso Japan. Hell yeah. Good stuff right here. Like a ukai, which is like a thrift store, pretty much. And we went through there, that Techno World. This is cool, Mr. DIY. I like that store. And you got tons of stuff. Another thrift store right here. Wow. Heavy coats, look good looking stuff. Accessories and more. This is cool. Hat store. You can print your name or embroider your name into these hats. This is like a cool famous thing here in Manila. It's called World Balance. The shoes are very similar to like, you know, sports shoes, New Balance and more. I can't stress how the mall here is pretty huge. I mean, compared to Guam. Must be busy here. Oh my god, that's so rad. I haven't seen this in years, but this is like a childhood memory for me. They used to have this in Guam, in Gibson's, GPO. It's pretty cool. Now they call it like Dikiki Donuts in Guam, but this is the original ones that I saw. Alright, let's go for a walk yet again and show you more of the Marikina Mall. I hope you guys are enjoying these visual sights and this visual walking tour of the Marikina Mall. Again, if you like it, please like this video, share it with your friends or whoever's coming. Don't forget to subscribe too to keep yourself updated and more. Wow, hot dog. Pancake. Yummy burger. Cool. A lot of cool like street food kind of snacks. They got like a deli manju guy. And then of course the little gifts, pasalubongs if you're going back. I showed you that food court earlier. We're gonna go down this way. Looks like another ukai thrift. right here in the middle, which leads us to save more. Again, you're here in the Marikina Mall. That's pretty cool. Got a lot of band t-shirts and stuff. Little cool toy accessories. Oh, yeah, imitations of Christian Dior, Nike, and more. Samsonite. Shoes. And of course, here's that food court that I was talking about. Stay tuned, because after this video, I'm gonna actually show you guys the Change, the little small market that have tons of clothes and probably cheaper stuff. This is cool. I like this shirt. Oh, sick. Have some cool band shirts, you know. And then, yeah, festive Bahay Kubo style stuff. Also, what I want to do, what's also one thing I want to let you know is here in Marikina, they have a lot of these cool one-off shops. They're not thrift stores, but they're like one-off t-shirts. It's pretty cool. There's all types of like band shirts and cool designs, and they're really cheap, about like $2 a t-shirt. There's a handyman, do it best. I think that's supposed to be Benson, do it best. What a hardware store over there. And here's some, like, you know, materials. It's kind of empty here, but there's like an arcade time zone right there. Marikina Shoes Leather Goods Exhibit. The cool thing about this place is, what I know about the Marikina Mall is this place used to have a lot of shoes. Like, this is a place that people went to for shoes. There was even like a giant shoe here, but I can't find it. But it's usually a giant shoe on display. They got some cool stuff right here. And of course, a time zone arcade. You'll need a card to play in there. This one, I guess it's like empty. Still gonna be filled. Not sure. Let's go this way. Near the time zone. Got imported, I guess, Japan and Korea stuff over there. And then, of course, random kids' clothes. Oh, this is cool. They have like a little kid play port. Like $2 for 30 minutes, not bad. And a lot more of this clothing and toys. In the middle seems like there's always food. So if you guys could smell this, I can't stress how good the smell is. This is cool. Look at this takoyaki little joint. And then, of course, like I said, this place does sell a lot of overruns and one-off clothings. But they're real cheap, man. There's a lot of smoke here, man. Something smells like it's burning. Yeah, I think we did the whole mall, guys, of Marikina Mall. Oh, yeah. This is pretty much the Marikina Mall. Again, there's stuff that is not occupied, and there's a lot of empty spots, but there's also a lot of cool stores. I found this one store that had all these cool, like, one-offs, and really cheap. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you liked it, and you got the cool views and a little feel of the Marikina Mall, which used to be like a giant place for shoes and stuff, like I said. And there was like a giant shoe here, but I can't find it. Yeah. Thank you again for watching, guys. This is that store. Great store in there. I didn't want to film. I was just checking out the clothes and threads. But yeah. I'm going to call it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. A lot of Manila videos are coming your way. Peace. I'm out.